Hey guys, it's Assistance TV with you, a YouTube channel for the whole family. I know that your summer vacation has already started, and you're expecting some cool DIY projects or fun stuff from me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make giant soap bubbles at home using simple materials. So we will need nature. Of course, a small basin and our bubble solution. I'll tell you how to make it a little later. We're pouring our bubble solution. By the way, I've done this thing here and we can already start blowing bubbles. We're pouring solution into the basin. This is a must-have condition. Without the basin, you won't be able to do anything. Guys, because the thing we're going to use to blow bubbles is really big. Blowing bubbles. I'm going to make a big loop like this. It's made from wool yarn. I just took some yarn, wrapped it around a stick a few times, and I ended up with a big ring. It's made quite simply. Guys, you can all make it. The thread must be woolen. A must. It absorbs well, and you see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. The wool yarn absorbs our bubble solution well, and the bubbles will turn out pretty awesome. We take our loop, dip it into our solution. Let it soak in well. We lift it up. Voila! Wow! It's just huge. It's just gigantic, look at it. Just a wonderful bubble. To make soap bubbles, you'll need a plastic bottle with a wide neck, some soft thick wire, and wool knitting yarn. It definitely has to be wool, and the yarn should be thicker so it can absorb our bubble solution well. We wrap our wire with the yarn just like I did. You'll end up with something like this, which will also absorb water well, and you can blow soap bubbles right from the bottle. Then we fold it in half and stick it to our cap. I folded the two edges like I did, using hot glue or any other glue. So, what will you end up with? But now we need to do it at the bottom. Another thread to help us launch our soap bubbles. Look, you take the yarn and just wrap it around the bottom. It's all quite simple. Guys, you tie a knot and you end up with a thing for making soap bubbles. The solution itself is made very easily. For 1 liter of boiled or distilled water, it must be either boiled or distilled. We're with you. Let's add 100 grams of soap solution. I definitely use Fair. It's the best for making soap bubbles. And we will also need 25 grams of regular glycerin. You can buy it at the pharmacy and it's very cheap. Guys, these are the essential components for the bubble solution. 1 liter of water, either distilled or boiled, 100 grams of fairy dish soap, and 25 grams of glycerin. You can even use 50 grams of glycerin if you have it. Well, that's it. You just need to mix it all well. And our soap bubbles are ready. You can launch them either with this little thing that you have. It's glued to lid. Or in nature, guys. It's just gigantic. Just look at it. It's just a monster. Just look how huge it is. Well guys, I think you enjoyed this video. Since the bubbles turn out to be really huge and super cool, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check the description. There are a lot of other cool videos there. Check them out. If you like it, leave a comment. You were with Assistance TV, a YouTube channel for the whole family.